How to make a SEPA transfer on Revolut, follow my instructions. Revolut supports SEPA transfers, which let you send euros across the Eurozone quickly and securely. It's perfect for paying friends, businesses, or even topping up accounts abroad, so. Process is simple if you know where to look. First, open the Revolut app on your phone. From the home screen, tap on Transfers or the Payments tab, then choose Send Money and select Bank Transfer, enter the recipient's full name, and their IBAN. Revolut automatically detects that it's a SEPA transfer. When you enter an IBAN from the Eurozone, in some cases, you might also need to add the BIC SWIFT code now. Type the amount you want to send in euros, add a note or payment reference so the receiver knows what the transfer is for. Make sure to double-check the IBAN and the amount before moving forward. Next, select the delivery speed. SEPA transfers are usually next business day. If your recipient's bank supports SEPA Instant, the money may arrive within seconds. Finally, review the details and tap Send. You'll confirm using your passcode, fingerprint, or Face ID. Revolut will then process the transfer and notify you once it's complete. And that's it. That's how you make a SEPA transfer on Revolut quickly and easily. Thanks for watching.